Here is how to attach a photo to an email on an Android device. This is useful if you want to send something to a colleague or friend or even just have it on another device. First, open Gmail application on your mobile device and log into your specific Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account, you can also use other email accounts within the app. Make sure that the correct email is selected and tap on the Compose button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, this will open a new page where you need to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Go ahead and write whatever message that you want to send to this person. And to attach a photo, you need to go ahead and select this icon over here that is indicating some kind of paperclip icon and select the photo that you want to send. Click on Add, and this will be added to the email. Once the photo is added, you can press the Send button in the top right corner of your screen to send the email. And if you now go to the Sent section, you'll see the email that has been just sent from your email ID to that specific email address, and you'll be able to view the photo as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.